Hello, this is Jim Lupkin, and this is version 2 of your product. Now, as I go through this, I want you to look and compare how drastically enhanced version 2 is compared to version 1. And as I'm going through this, I want you to remember this. All you have to do is be the messenger. That's right. You don't have to be a social media trainer, a social media consultant, or a guru of social media. You don't have to have a lot of experience in social media. All you need to do is be the messenger, and the message is this. How would you like to market the first ever virtual social media agency? That's right, we're the first virtual social media agency with version 2, and it's backed by a reputable social media agency, a brick and mortar social media agency that's been in existence for almost 2 years, with the owners having a trail record of over 10 years in the social media space with tremendous amount of success stories, etc., to support you. So this is an exciting time for all social outbreak distributors because you're going to be able to market a product that is truly one of a kind. You will no longer compete against template companies. You no longer compete against tool companies. You will now be the first virtual social media agency. So what does this mean? Simply put, as I take you through this website, you are going to be taken through just like we take all of our customers through when they walk through our door and we get them started with their social media campaign. So the first thing that we do is we have to find out what industry they're in. Why? Because 75% of what you do in social media, you can do across any industry, but 25% is custom tailored per industry. Because let's face it, there's certain things you will do if you're a spa owner compared to if you're a realtor. There's different things you will do if you're a veterinarian compared to if you're a distributor of a network marketing company when building your business on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Twitter. So because of that, we have step 1 right here. Tell us your industry. You can click on choose your industry and choose from 10 industries that we already have. If you're a chiropractor, click on chiropractor, and our entire system is customized to help you succeed as a chiropractor. If your industry is not showing here, simply click on general and we'll be able to help you in the 75% of the way. Now, you could also click on choose your company. And if your company appears from the drop down, we built the system to customize around those particular companies, and we'll be adding companies all the time. In fact, we'll be adding industries all the time as well. The goal here is we want to be very specific and help you based on your industry. Next is weekly tips. Every single week, the social media industry is changing at a radical pace. We will update this once a week with great social media tips to help you be a success. To the right is going to be success stories. We have dozens and dozens of companies that we've helped over the last almost 2 years be successful in social media, and we're going to be sharing those stories with you here so you can see how others are succeeding using our virtual social media agency. You'll also be able to use it as a retail perspective just to make it easier when you hear different success stories from other industries. So we're going to be inputting success stories in here all the time of people that are using a product. Now, once you choose your industry, you're going to go into Facebook. Now, once you're in here, this is designed exactly the same layout that we would do with somebody that walks through our doors and we help them with their social media campaign. So step number 1, we're going to help them create a page. They're going to watch a video tutorial on how to do it. Then they're going to click here and actually set up their page. Next, they're going to click on visit the gallery. When they click on here, because I'm in the apartment industry, I'm going to be able to go through and I'm going to be able to look at all the sidebars and all the custom tabs, and they're customized as per the industry. So for example, if I like this one, I can double click on it. I can check out the sidebar. I can check out the custom tab. Now this is a new template that we've added, and it's a coupon. So any retail brick and mortar businesses, you can give this to them and they can put it as a custom tab. They click on print coupon, and now users can print coupons off of Facebook and they can take the coupon into the store to redeem it. This is a very powerful custom tab to put on fan pages of brick and mortar businesses, car dealerships, spas, veterinarians, etc. Now, as you look through some of these, I'll give you one more example. You can see how it is all tailored for the industry. This makes it easier for your customers to understand how beautiful these can look for their particular industry. It also makes it easier for you to sell this as a social outbreak distributor because now the product is customized per industry. Now, once you decide what design you want, you're going to go to number 3, which is design your sidebar. Now, in design your sidebar, you watch a video on how to do it, and then you choose your sidebar. Now, once you're in here, we do them in rows of 4, or you can click on View All, and you can look at all the sidebars on the entire page. Now, I want you to look at this again. They're all custom designed for the industry. This makes it easy for you to go after particular industries if you're acquiring retail customers. Let's say that this is a sidebar that you like, so I'm going to click on it. Now when I come to the edit page, it's showing me the finished version. This makes it much easier for you and your customers to create sidebars without starting from scratch. Every tab you can look at watch video tutorial, and we walk you through how to edit it per the sidebar. You can change it out by content and appearance, you can change a template, resize it, and download it, just like you could in version 1. The major difference is it's industry specific, and we're giving you the final copy instead. Now you can go to Design a Tab. On Design a Tab, you're going to watch the video again, you're going to click on Design a Tab, and it's going to be the same layout as the sidebars. First, you're going to choose your fan page, and then you're going to choose what tab you want. I can do it by rows of 4, I can click on View All, and I can look at them all in one layout and decide which one is the best for me. If I choose that this one is the best for me, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to give me the final version. Again, the same benefits as having the final version on your sidebar. Again, I'll be able to watch a video and know exactly how to edit this specific custom tab. That is powerful. You can also upload your own code. So if you already designed custom tabs, you can upload the custom code into here and have your own templates displayed on our platform. You can also replicate it across multiple fan pages. Again, new features that we added for those that design custom tabs already but still want to use this platform to build a residual income. Next is the gateway page. We made the gateway page easier to understand. And how we did that was simple. We told you what happens when somebody clicks on your image. These are the 3 notifications that are created. It shows you what they look like. You can even watch a small video that explains it as well. And if you want to customize your message, you click here, you choose your page, and then it's going to give you your message. If you accidentally delete something that you don't want to lose, just click reset and it's right back. Again, it makes the gateway page much easier to use. Now let's go to the training center. We really beefed up the training center because when somebody walks through our office and we're helping them build out a social media campaign, not only do we design their sidebar and help them with their template, but we give them thorough training to really help them every step of the way. You can click on Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube, and you'll see the same type of training, but it's specific to those social networks. I'm going to give you a small example of how professional our videos are. So let me play one right now.
When I was a kid, I often volunteered at my granddad's antique store, and every time he would check out a client, he'd say everything you paid for and a little extra. That little extra was my grandma's homemade cinnamon rolls or homemade donuts. But it was that little extra the clients remembered and repeated long after the sale. Hi, I'm Donna Newman, and your job is to set up your business fan page where your friends love talking about you to their friends. So let me give you 5 bite-sized steps to successfully launch your business fan page. Before we get started, log into Facebook. Click the word account located in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, click Use Facebook as Page. Choose your fan page and click Switch. Okay, on to the 5 steps. First, set
So
your
as you can see, our videos are professional and they're designed to get you results. When you use a virtual social media agency, you are working with a brick and mortar social media agency that has a proven track record for many years and then many more years upon that from the founders of the company. So you're getting solid training that has delivered results over and over again. You get them in the form of videos, and you also get them in the form of ebooks that you can read. Now once you've been fully trained, now you're going to go to step number 7. And on step number 7, this is an exciting feature that we just added. Once again, you can watch the video and then you can get started. Now, once everything is set up and you are fully trained on how to be successful on social networks, the next thing you need to do is you need to start posting quality content. So what we've done is we've taken that out of the equation to make it easier for you. So what we've done is we've written industry-specific content, which is shown in the library here. It's broken down into three categories: personal content, industry news content, and industry trivia content. What this means is if you're a chiropractor and you don't have time to write great content, we wrote it for you. If you're in the automobile industry, if you're a network marketer, if you own any type of home business or small business, we wrote the content for you. What this does is it positions you as an expert to all of your fans and everyone that has subscribed to you on Facebook. Now, you will eventually write your own content. This is meant to be like your social media training wheels. Our content delivers results and is industry specific. It positions you as an expert in your field, and it's meant to show you and teach you how to write fabulous content so eventually over time you can write your own content. Now how's that for not having to go through a long learning curve using Facebook? You can use our professionally written content instead. Now these are just some different examples that I pulled from different industries just so you can kind of get a little overview. For example, here's one we did for the automobile industry. 100 car care tips for men. What? Just 100? Anything to add? If not, just like this post. Your car sure will. And we have a cool image with a link to a specific article that relates to that. If you're in the automobile industry, people will comment on this. So again, we know how to write great content that gets comments. The more comments you get, the more customers you will get. It's that simple. And we wrote the content industry specific. That's what makes it powerful. This is truly a one of its kind. And we do this for our clients when they walk through our door. We help them write the content. Now besides this, if you want to write your own content, come up here to compose your message. You can write in your message. You can click on calendar. You can choose the date, you choose the time, and you can post your message to one or multiple fan pages, and you can send it out days, weeks, and months in advance. Again, making it easy for you to post your content, which is one of the first things you must do in order to have success on social media sites. What else is there? Number 8. And number 8 is all about support. You see, as a social media agency, it's very important for us to properly support our clients. Well, so how do we do it on the internet? We have FAQs that are very thorough to answer all your questions on how to use our product, as well as social media questions. Community will link it out to our fan page. Right now we have about 8,000 small business owners that listen to our tips all the time, and you'll be able to plug into that. And of course we have contact where you can get support in a live chat, live phone, as well as email. So we are there with you every step of the way. So in closing, I like to say this. You have the opportunity now to market the first ever virtual social media agency. We are not a competitor to templates. We're not a competitor to consultants or trainers. We are a standalone product, and you need to ask yourself, if you can walk through the door of a social media agency and get hands-on support from an actual agency, would you want that for $100 a month? If the answer is yes, you want to use our product. If you're already amazing at social media and you know it all you want is a tool to use here, a tool to use there, or a quick template, there's a lot of companies out there that do that. We're looking to help the 97% of every entrepreneur and business owner that is trying to figure out how to make this work. We are here for your success. What you see today is 25% of what we're coming out with. Version 1 was 10%. This is now total 25%, which you've already heard in many of my calls. We're already rolling out in Blueprint version 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we are going to build this out to be one of the most impressive virtual social media agencies ever. The goal is to empower you as a distributor of Social Outbreak to be successful on Facebook, to empower other network marketers to be successful in their own business by you sharing it with them, and to empower the small business market so that they can have success with a real social media agency and not have to spend thousands of dollars to work with them like they traditionally do, but instead spend $100 a month and have success. My name is Jim Lupkin. It's been a pleasure. Go out and share this with the world. Thank you very much.